Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Halloween sloth. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Halloween sloth, let's begin by drawing a little hat on here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of curve up. We're going to kind of go in and out and back in like this. Next, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out. We're going to bring this up and back into here. Next, we're going to take this line and we're going to bring it down on each side. Then right here, let's just kind of curve this line right down to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line out, and I'm going to curve this down. Then I'm going to bring this line up and into here, so it kind of looks like a little witch's hat. Next, let's draw a line right across here. Then let's make two lines that come down, with a little square in here for like a little buckle. Now, starting here, I'm going to make another circle right inside of here, or kind of like an oval shape. Then right here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and down. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then back up. Now for the eyes, I'm just going to kind of make these little sad face shapes. Then I'm just going to make a little oval shape for the nose. And a little smiley face. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out, and then I'm going to bring this up. Let's curve this line down and bring it to here. And then right here, let's curve a line up, bring it around, and down. Now right here, let's draw a line that connects it. And then right here, let's just make a line that's just going to kind of come down. We'll jump between here, and then we'll bring it out to here. Next, we'll make another one that's just going to kind of curve around. We'll jump over and bring it out to here and connect it. Next, let's draw a couple little lines here. And let's make this look like a broom. Let's draw a line that's going to kind of curve up and down and back up. We're going to put a couple little points on it, and then we're going to bring this down and connect. Then I like to add some extra little lines on here for some detail. Now here, let's draw a line that's going to curve up for a leg, and then one more right here. And then right here, we're just going to go up and down with a curve, and up and down. And we'll put two little lines inside each one for little sloth toes. And then we'll just do a little line up here on each side. Then, starting here, let's make a little spider hanging down. let's just draw a little line that's going to come down. We'll make a little black dot here. And then we'll make some little legs that kind of come out and then back down for our little spider. Then right here, let's draw a little pumpkin. Let's just make a little circle. We'll make two little lines that are going to curve up. And we'll draw a little oval on here. We'll make two lines here and two lines here. And then we're just going to make these little sad face eyes again. So it kind of looks like he's a little sleepy, just like this little guy. And then we'll just make a little smile on our pumpkin and just kind of color it in. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little Halloween sloth. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.